Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. AI works for you. It is official now. After 2 major name changes, the project finally has its permanent name. Claude launched as Claude back in November 2025. That fun pun on Claude with the lobster claw. Then it was switched to Moltbot after a wild community brainstorm, symbolizing growth and molting into something bigger. But neither one felt quite right in the end. So after careful trademark checks, domain purchases, and community feedback, the final name is announced now. It is OpenClaw. That's right, from Claude to Moltbot to OpenClaw. This video is about OpenClaw, the final name and big update, from Claude to Moltbot to OpenClaw. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the full naming journey, what OpenClaw actually means, everything new in this release, and what's coming next. Let's get into it. OpenClaw is introduced by Peter Steinberger at Stapete on 29th January 2026. This is what written by Peter Steinberger about the naming journey of OpenClaw. The naming journey. 2 months ago, I hacked together a weekend project. What started as WhatsApp Relay now has over 100,000 GitHub stars and drew 2 million visitors in a single week. Today, I'm excited to announce our new name, OpenClaw. We've been through some names. Claude was born in November 2025, a playful pun on Claude with a claw. It felt perfect. Until Anthropic's legal team politely asked us to reconsider. Fair enough. Moltbot came next. Chosen in a chaotic 5 AM Discord brainstorm with the community. Molting represents growth. Lobsters shed their shells to become something bigger. It was meaningful, but it never quite rolled off the tongue. OpenClaw is where we land. And this time, we did our homework. Trademark searches came back clear, domains have been purchased, migration code has been written. The name captures what this project has become. Open, open source, open to everyone, community driven. Claw, our lobster heritage, a nod to where we came from. What OpenClaw is? OpenClaw is the AI that actually does things. Clears your inbox, sends emails, manages your calendar, checks you in for flights. All from WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat app you already use. OpenClaw is an open agent platform that runs on your machine and works from the chat apps you already use. WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Teams, wherever you are, your AI assistant follows. Your assistant. Your machine. Your rules. Unlike SaaS assistants, where your data lives on someone else's servers, OpenClaw runs where you choose, laptop, home lab, or VPS. Your infrastructure. Your keys. Your data. What's new in this release? Along with the rebrand, OpenClaw has new channels, Twitch and Google Chat plugins. Models. Support for KIMI K2.5 and Xiaomi MiMo-V2-Flash. Web chat. Send images just like you can in messaging apps. Security. Security is given top priority. 34 security-related commits to harden the codebase. Machine-checkable security models are released this week and are continuing to work on additional security improvements. Also focused on gateway reliability and adding Polish Plus support for more models and providers. This project has grown far beyond with addition of maintainers to deal with the insane influx of problems and issues. If you want to help this project, consider contributing or sponsoring the organization through the link given in the website OpenClaw.ai. The lobster has molted into its final form. Welcome to OpenClaw. Get started. OpenClaw.ai. Join the Claw crew. Discord. Star on GitHub. github.com/OpenClaw/OpenClaw. And that's the full story behind OpenClaw. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay in the loop, please subscribe to the channel. AI works for you right now. It really helps the channel grow. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Follow along for more frequent updates, live demos, real-world use cases, tips and tricks, and deep dives into what OpenClaw can actually do in your daily workflow. I will be sharing lots more practical examples soon, from inbox automation to travel hacks and team productivity workflows. Thank you again for being part of this journey. Drop a comment below letting me know what you are most excited to try with OpenClaw. See you in the next video.